To connect Xiaomi Watch S4 into your phone, first of all, you will have to turn on your device by holding the down button. And right now we got language selection, so pick your one. And now we got the QR code, so we can quickly scan it to download application. But also you can do this a little bit faster by grabbing your phone, opening Play Store, and searching for Mi Fitness application. Previously it was called Xiaomi Wear. Now, after the download is finished, you will have to just open this application, click Start at the bottom, and accept this one, agree to user agreement and the privacy. You don't have to enroll in the user experience program. Click Agree, and now you will have to select your region. So you can click on this arrow and simply search or pick from the list. Click Next, and now go to the device. Now click to Add Device. You have to be sure that you turn on Bluetooth on your phone and click Agree. Now grant permission for the Bluetooth for the scanning, so click Allow. And as you can see now, we got this Xiaomi Watch S4, so we can quickly tap on it. And now we have to sign into the Xiaomi account. So you can simply input your data to log into Xiaomi account. You have to accept this one. And if you don't have account, you can simply create it right here. Or you can use, for example, your Google account, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna simply access, and now you have to select your device one more time. You have to accept pairing request on your phone and on your watch, like so. Now we just wait a little bit for connection. Right here we got enabled that option to install system updates automatically when device is idle and connected to the Wi-Fi. Click Next. Right now we can pick the app layout, so we can get icons, and text, or for example list, just up to your preferences. In my case, I will probably go for list. Click Continue, and now we can mirror phone notifications, or we can set custom one, up to your preferences. Click Next. Accept another permissions. So from this screen, you have to scroll for Mi Fitness, click on it and allow notification access. Scroll, select allow. Now go back again. Now click next, accept another permission for contacts and for calls. Now you can synchronize the do not disturb mode with your phone and also the weather updates. So if you want to do this, click next. And right now, grant permission for location, select allow all the time, go back. Now there's the wearing guide, click next. Now we have to grant some another permissions. So click to go into the settings. You have to select your phone brand. In my case, I'm actually using Pixel from Google, so it's not mentioned on the list. So I have to select others, and there's show information how it actually works. So now click done, and as you can see now we are ready to go. So we have to click start. We can turn on synchronization. We got the update, so we can simply do this right now. There's short information what it does, and that's basically it. That's how you can connect this watch into your Android phone. Now on your watch you have to click start, and you can start using your device.